The world is changing. Money is changing. Cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. Imagine a global digital currency free from government control. This is the promise of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is digital money, secured by cryptography. It uses blockchain technology to record and verify transactions. Think of it as a digital ledger distributed across a network of computers. This decentralized system makes cryptocurrency secure, transparent, and accessible to all. Blockchain is the revolutionary technology underpinning cryptocurrency and many other applications. Imagine a digital ledger, replicated and synchronized across countless computers worldwide. Each block in the chain contains transaction data, securely encrypted and time-stamped. These blocks are linked together chronologically, forming an immutable and transparent record. When a new transaction occurs, it is verified and then added to a block. This block is then broadcast to the entire network of computers for validation. This distributed system ensures transparency, security, and trust among all participants. No single entity controls the blockchain, making it decentralized and democratic. This inherent design makes it highly resistant to fraud, tampering, and censorship. Cryptocurrency offers several advantages over traditional financial systems. Firstly, decentralization. No central authority controls it. This eliminates intermediaries, reduces fees, and enhances financial freedom. Secondly, transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, publicly viewable. This fosters trust and accountability. Thirdly, accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can participate in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Cryptocurrency empowers individuals, fostering financial inclusion and innovation. It transcends borders, enabling seamless global transactions. However, it's not without risks. Navigating the risks, volatility, and security. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their extreme volatility, with prices that can swing wildly within a short period. Prices can fluctuate dramatically, posing significant risks for investors who may not be prepared for such rapid changes. It's crucial to understand the underlying technology, research thoroughly, and invest cautiously. Security is another major concern. While blockchain technology itself is secure, cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacking attempts and cyber threats. It's vital to choose reputable platforms and implement strong security measures, such as two-factor authentication and secure passwords. Despite the inherent risks, the potential rewards in the cryptocurrency market are significant and can be very lucrative. Cryptocurrency is transforming the financial landscape, driving innovation and new opportunities in various sectors. Understanding the risks and rewards is key to navigating this exciting and rapidly evolving new world of digital finance. A brief history of disruption from Bitcoin to the metaverse. The story of cryptocurrency begins in 2008 with the creation of Bitcoin. Created by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin introduced the world to the concept of decentralized digital currency, a revolutionary idea that challenged traditional financial systems. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with its own unique features, applications, and communities driving innovation. Ethereum, for example, enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, opening up new possibilities for developers and businesses alike. Today, cryptocurrency is more than just digital currency. It's a new way of thinking about money and transactions. It's transforming industries, from finance to supply chain management, offering transparency, security, and efficiency. It's also powering the metaverse, enabling new forms of digital ownership, interaction, and immersive experiences. The future of cryptocurrency is bright and full of possibilities, with continuous growth and innovation on the horizon. Explore this exciting world. Educate yourself, understand the risks, and invest wisely to navigate this evolving landscape. The future of finance is decentralized, offering new opportunities and challenges for everyone involved.